Venezuela's rival leaders are locked in a legal battle to determine the fate of over $1 billion of gold reserves stored in the vaults of the Bank of England, with a high court ruling expected over the coming days.
The hearing, which began in London on Monday and is expected to last 4 days, represents an extraordinary case for the crisis-stricken South American country.
Venezuela's central bank, controlled by President Nicolas Maduro, is seeking an order to force the Bank of England to hand over the lion's share of the country's gold reserves.
Lawyers representing Maduro have argued the funds would be transferred directly to the United Nations Development Programme in order to aid the country's response to the coronavirus pandemic.
However, National Assembly leader Juan Guaido believes the bullion should be under his control since the UK government, alongside approximately 60 other world leaders, recognizes him as the rightful interim president of Venezuela.
The gold in the vaults in the Bank of England is our national reserves. It belongs to our people, to secure our nation's future, Vanessa Newman, the chief diplomat in London for Venezuelan opposition leader Guaido, said in a statement on Monday.
It must not be stolen as the transnational criminal organization that is the Maduro regime has stolen everything else. It must not be handed to our enemies, their partners in crime and terror and our oppression.
Venezuela's central bank filed the claim in a commercial court on May 14, saying the money would be used to administer the purchase of food and medical supplies in order to fight the coronavirus outbreak.
Last month, a group of experts at the United Nations warned hospitals in the country had reported a shortage of medical supplies and protective equipment.
To date, more than 4,100 people have contracted the coronavirus in Venezuela, with 35 deaths nationwide, according to data compiled by Johns Hopkins University.